So you might have realised from my funny hat that we're going to do something a bit different today. We're going to do a little walk. It's the walk from Nelly Bay to Arcadia, just over the track, the Gabul Way, and down to the Wallabies. But today I'm going to do it by bicycle. So come along! This is the old barge landing in Arcadia. Used to be a passenger ferry landing here for a bit as well. And you'd walk down the road down into the Arcadia Hotel. And then behind me is the classic rock arch where many holiday makers started their holiday. Up until the 60s the jetty was way out the end there. And you would get off your jetty, walk through there all the way down to the Arcadia Hotel. These days really just a spot for tourists to take photos. And lots of wedding photos. Pretty scary. Not much holding it up. And here is one of our little rock wallaby friends. Hello, my friend. Catching the afternoon sun. These guys are pretty tame. You come down here usually just around sunset and they're all coming out to start foraging for the night. These guys are pretty tame. We've had somebody coming here, or ferries coming here, for almost 100 years, so they're pretty used to people by now. You can get really close. Some people bring some food down and feed them. We don't really encourage that on our tours. Parks and Wildlife have asked us not to do that. But if people want to bring their own food and feed them, that's up to you. Just make sure you don't give them any of the brassicas, or definitely not any bread that can give them teeth, and the brassicas will give them stomach problems. You can go down to the Arcadia News Agency and buy some wallaby pellets, which are pretty good for them as well. So here we go, Geoffrey Bay Wallabies. These guys are known as Allied Rock Wallabies. They're endemic to the island. You'll find them around Townsville. Pretty much in the Burdekin region is the extent of their range. You won't really find them outside of that within Australia. So they're pretty unique to this region and Townsville. So come down here and have a look. They're very cute. They're much cuter than kangaroos, I think. I think it's the eyelashes. Something about the eyes. Hey, my little friend. Behind me is a little cave. There is a legend about a Japanese pirate, Yamada Nagamasa, hiding his treasure somewhere on the island. He said he left it in a bay near a prominent rock. I've only got 25 beaches and bays, so lots of rocks. Go for your life. Personally, I don't think it's a true story, but it's nice to dream, hey?